Me and Eric have been watching these geese for pretty much all week. It's March 15th today, and who would have thought these geese would have stuck around this long? We've actually hunted this group of geese twice, and got burnt twice. We did kill 47 one day. I think that was just because the conditions were right, but these things will humble you, that's for sure. They've been in the same field every day all week, and today it rains, and we come out here and they're spread across 7 or 8 different fields. Wind's gonna be blowing 10 mile an hour out of the north. It's all Rossies and Juvies, so you know, if you're just under that line when they get up off the roost, it should happen.
Alright, turning left back.
Oh yeah, there's snow. Get ready, they're running light. Alright, boy. We just made a mess of those. Oh! Didn't even with the other ones.
Dude, those got close.
Were they close?
Oh yeah.
What?
That's why you just gotta go, boys.
How many we killed? 20?
I don't know. They pretty good. One just dropped over by the grain bin. What happened?
He didn't get the phone video.
I had. Oh my gosh.
No. Don't call them stuff. What do you think? Go! Load. I went a little late. Don't shoot, here they come. Reload.
One's out front. Get ready. They've been migrating all night.
Have they?
I've been hearing it.
And I noticed that, like the other day on one of them big balls that we shot, there was a group of probably like 20 that actually went underneath.
Oh yeah.
Underneath the wall. You can literally sit back.
They're all getting up. They're all getting up. Reload. Hurry up.
Reload. Hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry up.
Oh man.
Awesome.
Hurry up. Hurry up.
Here they all come, guys. Here they all come. Hurry up.
Hurry up. Reload.
Seriously.
Come on. Whole wad's coming.
Oh gosh. Are they serious?
Both sides of the road. Well, don't roll right up. Don't get up and roll this way. He's gonna let the smoke get in. There's more behind him. More behind him.
Yeah, he knows. Stay still.
Hey, Chump.
Get ready, Sam. They're getting up. Yeah. Reload. We shot them both.